Okay, so this video will continue our look at how to use Onshape. In this case here, we're returning to the letter H we've made previously. If you recall, our first shot at making the letter H was really rough, really untidy. In our second go at doing the letter H, we used some tools in Onshape like coincident, equal, horizontal, vertical to tidy everything up, and we ended up with this. But I'm still not completely finished with that. I would like to change a couple of aspects of this. The dimensions are a little bit out to me, so I'm going to look at how you can add dimensions to your shape. Now, adding dimensions to your shape is really important because when you create a shape or a design in Onshape, you're usually doing that because you want to turn it into something physical. So if it's a 2D thing, you're probably going to laser cut it out from a piece of plywood or acrylic or something like that. If it's a 3D object, you're probably going to laser print it out of resin, PLA plastic, sintered metal, something like that, right? So in that case there, if you're creating a physical object from your design, you want to have a dimension so you have the right size shape at the end. So how do we do that? Well, we go to the pencil, we pick dimension down there, and let's suppose I want my letter H to be 100 millimeters tall. I can click on one corner here, I get this guy here. I can move the position of this dimension arrow backwards and forwards using that. If I want to change the size of it, I can press on it and type in 100, and that'll change the shape of that. And then let's suppose that I want the H to be, let's say, 75 millimeters wide, and I want this bit, and this bit to be each be 25. So 25 and 25 and 25 makes 75 wide in total. All right, so how do I do that? Well, I go to the dimension again. I press there, and make that 25. There, and make that 25. And, oops, yep, I'll make that 25 as well. I didn't even have to do that last one because in our previous video, we used the equal tool to make that bit and that bit equal in length. So I didn't even really need to do that third one. So that's looking pretty good. I might just maybe make the H in the middle the bar in the middle a little bit wider. And I can do that by going back to my dimension tool, pressing there, and I might make that 25 as well. And there we go. So now I have a nice symmetrical letter H that's of a pleasing dimensions to me. So I've completed my letter H. What we'll do in the next video is maybe look at another way that we could have made that letter H instead. Probably, to be honest, a faster way of doing it. All right, so we'll see you in the next video.